How to update the wireless charging in your Cadillac Escalade and similar GM vehicles. I am Stephen Wimberley, and this is Working with Wimberley.
Here is the part number. With the wiring adapter. And I'm going to go ahead and get this installed. So here is my 2015 and a half Escalade ES-V Premium, and I'm going to show you all that the current charger does not work properly with my iPhone 10, and then we'll see the after where it should work. And as you can see, nothing happens. There's no display here. So let's get the console taken apart and swap the charger.
So this is the hardest part of the whole job, is prying off that bottom cover. It's on there really good, so you're gonna have to pull it really hard to get it off, but after that everything's pretty easy.
Once the bottom cover is off, just remove the 4 T15 screws. Take the old charger, disconnect the connector. Then we're going to grab the wiring kit that came with the new one, snap it in, and then this end goes into the new charger. And then we're just going to go and replace our 4 T15 screws. So we can go ahead, tuck the wire away neatly, and reinstall our cover. So now we can test it out and see if it works.
We can see that the charger is now working. We have the symbol on our phone.
And we can also see the charge icon next to the phone. And this job is done. If you found this video helpful, be sure to subscribe to the channel, give me a thumbs up, and leave a comment. God bless you all.